Hey, it's Tom Zeeb with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in today's quick video, I'm going to teach you the 2 types of marketing that you need to be doing to make your real estate investing business successful. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. I was teaching my one-day Rapid Cash Generator Masterclass in Honolulu, Hawaii last week, which is all about wholesaling, and a very good question came up. I'm going to paraphrase what the question was. It was basically, Tom, in a crowded market, how do I stand out from the crowd with my marketing? Standing out from the crowd in your marketing is an excellent question, and is what we need to master as real estate investors. There are basically 2 types of marketing that you can be doing. One is run into exactly where everybody else is marketing, think exactly what everyone else is doing, and try to compete with them, compete with your competition. That will work, and that is one form of marketing. The trick in that form of marketing is to make sure that you are doing something truly unique and different, something louder, something more brash, something that stands out from the crowd and sets you above the crowd, and make sure that you stand out versus all your competition. But that can be a little bit difficult. It's better in many ways to do the second type of marketing, and that's find somewhere secluded. Find somewhere that not everybody else is. Yes, it takes an extra bit of effort to get there, like where I am today. It takes an extra bit of effort to get out here, but the reward is nobody else is out here. My point to her was simple, and it's the same point I make to you. Avoid the crowd. Go where nobody is. If you go where nobody is in your marketing, you're all alone. The only logical choice then is you. The only person they can reach out to is you, because you're the only one that put that extra ounce of effort in at the beginning to develop that list, to find those names, and actually mail and market to those people. So think about that. You could try to compete where everyone else is, and I show you how to do that. But it's easier to put that extra effort in now, put that extra effort in at the beginning, and then you're the only one they could possibly contact, because you're the only one that bothered to reach out to them and reach out to them multiple times. Then when you send your letters and your postcards, you're the only person marketing to those people because it's more secluded. So you don't need to be as bold and as brash. Your stuff doesn't need to stand out as much from being different, because it already stands out because you're the only one there. So when you can get into somewhere remote by putting in some extra effort, then you stand out from the crowd naturally, because there simply is no crowd. And if you like this tip, join us at the next upcoming one-day Rapid Cash Generator Masterclass, which is all about wholesaling properties for quick profits. I teach this across the country. Go to tractionrealestatementors.com and you'll find the dates for an upcoming class in your area. Go ahead and click like on this video and share it with friends, and I look forward to seeing you very soon at the next Rapid Cash Generator Masterclass. It's Tom Zeeb from Hawaii, signing off.